Welcome back, first graders, to day 2 of your reading and phonics practice. Today, you see in front of you our 3 vowel teams, and they all make the same sound this week, boys and girls. What is that sound? Ooh. You say it. Ooh. Now let's practice. The ooh sound can be heard in the word boot and soup and group and youth and soon. Now, boys and girls, I have a question. I would like for you to put each of these words, I would like for you to sound them out. You can put them on your slide, b-oot, boot. You can put them on your trampoline, b-oot, boot. And tell me, how many sounds are in the first word, boot? There are 3 sounds in that word, boys and girls. 3 sounds in the word boot, even though there are 4 letters. Because something we know about vowel teams is they pick one sound. And this week, they're making the sound ooh. It's time for you to pause the video and practice on your own, boys and girls. Practice these words on a trampoline or on a slide. You can read them to mom, dad, brother, sister, nanny. And then I would also like for you to tell them how many sounds are in each word. So pause the video and do this reading job. All right, boys and girls, now we are going to read this sentence. I will give you a minute to read the sentence. The crew will stay cool on the new boat. The crew will stay cool on the new boat. How many words with the ooh sound do you see? I spot 3 words with the ooh sound. Crew, cool, and new. All right, boys and girls, it's time for you to pause the video and find Reader's Notebook pages 125 and 126. On these 2 pages, you will use what you know about the ooh sound to put the words in the sentences where they make sense. And on the second page, you are looking at your spelling words. You are looking for the ooh vowel teams, and you are writing them on the lines with the words that match the same ooh vowel team. All right, boys and girls, to go into our reading job for the day, we are going to review about figurative language. That's $1 million word right there. Figurative language are words authors use to help a reader picture things in a story. Words that have more than one meaning. So we talked about this last week. Today we are going to talk about a type of figurative language called a simile. You say it, simile. A simile, similes are words that tell how 2 things are the same using like or as. You are sweet as pie. The picture is colorful like crayons. So, boys and girls, it takes 2 things and tells how they are the same, but it always has the words like or as. Like or as. Can you think of a simile? Let's look at one in our book. I'm going to read this page to you from our story. We can see the bark of the tree. The bark covers the branches and the trunk like a coat. But there is a part of the tree we cannot see. Why do you think the author says the bark is like a coat? A coat, boys and girls, like a jacket. The author says the bark covers the branches and the trunk like a coat. Why do you think the author says that? Is the tree wearing a coat? Can they take the bark off of the tree like a coat? Think about when you wear a coat. You put a coat on yourself to protect and cover you from the cold and from the wind. Just like a coat protects you, the bark covers the tree to protect it. So the bark is like a coat. All right, boys and girls, it's time to read. You may take out your Green Journeys book and review your story, or you may pick a reading selection for you to read for at least 10 minutes. Happy reading, first graders!